some tips and tricks for using the new microphones in the classrooms. The best position to put the lavalier microphone is about 6 inches from the bottom of your chin. A good reference is to do a thumbs up with the thumb touching the bottom of your chin and to place the microphone just below your fist. Web conference tools and services such as WebEx or Microsoft Teams can use this microphone. Just select it from the drop-down list. It will be listed as Echo Canceling Speakerphone Tessera Forte. Select this device for both the speakerphone and the microphone to make sure you don't encounter any audio issues. The microphone can also be used with all common recording tools and software if you wanted to pre-record your lecture or presentation content.